Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. Time to pick up an old series on this channel, and that is this one. I went to the supermarket again and I bought me one of these. It's a Playmobil Mystery Bag. It contains a figurine, you just don't know which one you're gonna get. And the challenge is whatever character comes out, I will draw it in my own style. Sounds like fun, right? Now let's check out which character we're gonna get. I'm really happy with what came out of my mystery bag this time. Immediately I saw it was a vampire-like character with a long leather sleeveless coat, a cool sword and a bat for a pet. He has long grey hair and some cool details on his suit, and some armor gauntlet and bracers for his protection during battle. He reminds me of a version of Dracula I saw once in an X-Men story drawn by Paco Medina. An incredible good book with some awesome art and a killer story by Victor Gischler. At some point in the story, Wolverine turns into a vampire, so go check that out. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. I really like this challenge. First of all, there is the element of surprise. You never know what character you're gonna get, and probably will be forced to draw something you never drew before. Just like this time, I can't remember I ever drew a vampire before, so this was a great occasion to have a go at such a classic character. Turning a toy into a more realistic comic character is so much fun. My kids love it when I make these and they see their toys come to life. And a nice bonus to this challenge, and probably this is the real reason why my kids like it when I do this, is that they end up getting a new toy to play with, so everybody wins, right? Do you guys like these type of challenges, or do you know some other fun challenges for me to try out? Let me know in the comment section. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of this Playmobil figurine, and would you like me to do more of these mystery bag challenges? Let me know in the comment section. And if you guys liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on other social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!